Today, I'm going to show you my Harry Potter haul from Christmas 2019. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is some of the ornaments that I got for Christmas, and I got a decent amount of them. So we got the Harry Potter on a broom, and this one was a Hallmark one, but it was one that you didn't normally purchase at Hallmark, so I think it was available at Walmart. I think Target might have carried it, and maybe even Walgreens. And then we have the 2019 Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets ornament, and I'll open that up here in a second so you guys can get a look at that better. Last year we got the Sorcerer's Stone or Philosopher's Stone, however you want to pronounce it, but they're doing one of those each year, so then that way we'll have all 7 of the books by the time it's done, so that's really cool. And that was a late release for Hallmark. I think it came out in December, or November. And then we got the Hermione Keepsake Storyteller ornament to go with our Ron, Harry, and the Castle that we purchased earlier this year when those got released in July. And she got released late October, so I was gifted her after that then. We got this really cute Hogwarts Castle in the dark with the moon ornament, and I think these were available at Target and maybe a couple other places as well, but it's super cute, and I love the little bit of glitter in the moon. And then we got the Hogwarts Express that has a little 2019 medallion on there, and this one was only available at Walmart, so super cute. So let me go ahead and open this one up so you can see it a little closer. Okay, so as you can see, it has the original book art, at least the original book art for the United States, and I love how they make Harry three-dimensional and then whatever he's doing. So last year I think he was on the broom, and this year we've got him with Fawkes, which is so cute, and the art just goes all the way around and is true to the original book. So you can see Ron and Ginny, and they're coming out of the Chamber of Secrets, and it's just adorable. Okay, so another ornament that I got was a ornament that you could only order off of Hallmark.com, and it is a special edition one. And it is the sorting hat with your house underneath of it. And you could choose whatever house you wanted to, and then your name is above it as well. So if you're a Gryffindor, you can get a Gryffindor, Slytherin, etc. So my mom got me Ravenclaw, which is super cool. And I'm super excited to put this on my tree. And as you can see, I'm going to have to get a much bigger Harry Potter tree because between ornaments I've been gifted and ornaments that I've made, we are going to need a lot more room. So next year, maybe I'll have a bigger Harry Potter tree. Leave a comment down below whether you think that tree should be traditional green or whether I should get a black tree. So let me know what you guys think. And the last ornament I received is probably the one I'm most excited about, and that is Ollivanders Wand Shop. So as some of you may know from my videos from the Hallmark Harry Potter ornaments that I've done in the past, I have collected all of the keepsake buildings that they've come out with. So they've come out with Gringotts, Honeydukes. This year they came out with Weasley Wizard Wheezes, but they came out with Ollivanders Wand Shop first in 2016. And for whatever reason, I didn't end up picking it up that year, and I've been kicking myself ever since. And my husband and my sister made it their mission to find me the ornament, and they did. So I am so excited. I can't wait to open this and show you guys the detail on it because it's insane. Okay, so here it is in all of the detail, and I love the sign and all of the window details and the architecture, and they have every little brick stamped here. It is just awesome. And it's kind of hard to see here, but you can actually see all of the wand boxes inside the window. And this one has a viewer in the back, and I will see if I can get you guys to see that image. Okay, so when you look in, you can see Ollivander and Harry inside of Ollivanders when Harry's receiving his wand. So it's super cool. Okay, so I'm going to shine my phone light up into the spot where you would put a light, and as you can see all of the wand boxes, and it illuminates the windows, and it is just so cool. Love it. So thank you to my husband and sister for going on a mission to find this ornament, and I know they did several different eBay bids and all kinds of stuff, and they were finally able to get it for me. So I'm super excited to have this as my collection, and now my collection is complete as of right now until they release a new one next year. So another thing I got a couple of was some new owls for my Harry Potter room. And I know I've been saying this a lot. I promise that is coming. It is definitely on my docket for early 2020 this year. So it will be on there. I promise you'll be able to see all of my little owls and potions and all of that. So this one is so cute. So he flies. So you actually hang him and he looks like he's flying, which is super adorable. And then we have this cute little white one. And I love that they have like real feathers and fur on there. Not real fur, but real feathers. And they're just so cute. So I can't wait to put them in my room and for you guys to see them. So I also got some new drinkware this year as well. So I got this really lovely Deathly Hallows wine glass. And I love the gold detail on here. It's just super cute. And I had never seen this one before. And I love the navy blue. So obviously, I know I'm a Ravenclaw, but again, it is my favorite color besides black. So love that. And then I got this super cute mug that has a little head wig up here on the edge. And it's nice and big. Then we got this Fantastic Beasts color changing mug. And it goes from being dark to having the Niffler on there, which is super cute. So when you put a hot beverage in there, the little Niffler appears. Then I got this really cool cold tumbler that says, "I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good." And then on the back has the Marauders map, and all of it is in this really pretty silver foiling. So that's super cute. Very fun for like iced coffee, etc. And then I got the Skelegro water bottle. And this is a replica of the potion from the movie. And I haven't decided whether I'm just going to use it as a water bottle or whether I want to put it on my potion shelf since we've made our own Skelegro before. So I'm a little divisive about that. Maybe I'll have a couple bottles up there because depending on who made it, it would potentially be in a different bottle. So let me know what you guys think down below, but it is really cute and I love how they detailed it as well. So okay, so a couple other things that I got are some collectible items. So I got Tom Riddle's diary, and this comes with a light-up wand that will show what you write on the pages. So it goes on invisible, and then when you shine the light on it, you can actually see what it says, and I'm excited to open that up and try that with you guys. And then I got this little sorting hat keychain, which is super cute, and he actually talks, so I'll pull him out here in a minute. And then we also got this really cute Buckbeak collectible, and he has different paws, so you can make him do different things, but he is so detailed and so cute, and I can't wait to add him to my shelves either. So let me go ahead and open a couple of these for you. Okay, so here is a little sorting hat keychain, and he's made of like a flexible plastic, and then there's a little button on the bottom here that we can press. So it's super cute. It goes through different houses depending on what it thinks you should be placed in. So he's really cute and a lot of fun. Okay, so the diary is the last of the Horcruxes that I needed. And this one is actually really nice. Like, I know it's not necessarily the Noble Collection one, but it is leather. These are metal corners. It's got really nice printing on it. And the pages are great as well. And when you write in it, so let's go ahead and write something. We can then, so as you can see, you can't see anything on the page. We can then, let me turn my light off here. You can then shine the light on it and see what you wrote. So it says, "My name is Harry Potter." And I think that is so cute and so creative that they came up with that. Love it. But this, like I said, is a really great quality. And I can't wait to add that to my shelf as part of my Horcruxes. So, super cute. Okay, so I also got a decent amount of clothes. So I got these really cute Ravenclaw slipper socks that have little stickies on the bottom so you don't slip. And these are so thick and fuzzy. And I know these came in all the different houses because my niece got a pair of Hufflepuff ones. So super cute, very soft. And then I got some Ravenclaw socks that kind of look like Letterman socks because it has the little fuzzy letter R on there. And those are nice and long and say Ravenclaw on the bottom. Super cute. And then I got a Ravenclaw t-shirt here that has the Ravenclaw crest on there. Very fun. And then I got this adorable sweatshirt that has the Hogwarts crest on it. And then on the sleeves, it says Hogwarts. And then the other sleeve has all of the house crests on it. So it's got Slytherin at the top, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Gryffindor. And this is super warm, super cute hoodie. Love it. So the next thing I got is the Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone Illustrated Edition. And these are illustrated by Jim Kay, and they are beautiful. And I hadn't owned any of these previously, so I added this to my Christmas list. And my brother, sister-in-law, niece, and nephew got this for me. And then they'll probably continue adding on to it in the years to come. But it is just so well illustrated and so beautiful. And I can't wait to go through and just take Instagram photos of some of these beautiful illustrations, but they are just awesome. And this book is beautiful. So, love that I started getting these. Okay, so next I got some little items. So the first thing I got was this really awesome Ravenclaw spatula for cooking. And this is by Williams & Sonoma, and it is just so cute, and I can't wait to make baking a little more magical with it. Then I got this really cute Ravenclaw keychain, and it says Wisdom on the little tag. These little tea towels are adorable. So we have the first one with a gold Hogwarts crest on it. And then the next one has the Marauders map. So cute. Next, I got a rechargeable power bank, and this one has got all of the little illustrated Funko looking characters on it, so that's super cute to keep your phone charged or anything like that, so super fun. I got a little Ravenclaw tin that just has some candies in it. But the tin is adorable. I got some Uno cards, which is really fun. Because Uno's fun, but it's even better when it's got Harry Potter characters on it. So that's super cute. And then lastly, I got this little Hogwarts Railways bag. And when you open it up, it actually has a reusable tote, which I love that. And it's got the Hogwarts Express on it. So that is super fun. Really nice to have. I love using reusable bags whenever possible. And that makes it really easy to carry. And it's so much cuter because it's Harry Potter. Okay, so the next thing I got is really, really adorable. And I was super excited when I heard they were coming out with the collection. So I got a couple of the Pandora beads from my parents. So first, we got little Harry here. See if I can get him to focus for you. And he is so cute with his little wand and his little scarf. And then next, I got the Hogwarts pin. And this one is my favorite out of the entire collection. It is so beautiful. It's got the whole Hogwarts castle. So on one side, it has the Hogwarts castle. And then on the sides, it has the chapter stars. And then on the back, it has the Hogwarts crest. I adore this charm. It is so cute, and I can't wait to add it to my bracelet. But it is just adorable. Another really cool item I got for Christmas is a handmade item my sister made me, and that is a brand new camera strap for my camera. So I run a Canon T6i right now, and I had asked for a camera strap that was Harry Potter related and something that wouldn't show a lot of dirt and stuff like that, and she found this amazing Deathly Hallows fabric that has these shimmery gold Deathly Hallows on them, and then custom made the whole thing so I will be able to put it on my camera and have a really awesome camera strap for it now. So thank you to my sister. She's super talented, and she made me one other thing that I'm getting ready to show you. Okay, so last but definitely not least, I got this amazing quilt from my sister. And she made all of these squares and tiles that are all Harry Potter created. And I'm going to show you some close-ups of this quilt now, but it is just miraculous. There's embroidered pieces to it. There's quilted sections. And the quilted sections, she actually got the patterns from Fandom and Stitches. So they actually give you patterns that you can share that are created for fans by fans, and they're free. And they give you exactly how you need to cut your fabric and do it. So then that way you can have these amazing little quilted sections, like this awesome cauldron up here. And they are just so, so cool. And this quilt is amazing. And I already told her it's too nice for me to actually use. So I'm probably going to hang it on my wall in my Harry Potter room. So you guys will be able to see it again there when I show my room for you guys. But I can't wait to hang it up in there because it is just beautiful. And the work she put into this is amazing. And she is just so talented. And everything she does with sewing is just beautiful. So let me just show you guys this whole thing in its entirety so you can really appreciate all of the stuff that's on this quilt. And there you have it. There's everything Harry Potter related that I got for Christmas 2019. And I am super lucky and blessed that I was able to get as many wonderful things as I got for Christmas. And I just want to say thank you to all of my friends and family for all of these items. And I can't wait to put them into my Harry Potter room or just use them in my everyday life. So thank you again. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.